Hey YouTube, I'm shutting down the site where I was selling courses, and in the process I thought I would just at least upload the videos, the courses that I'd made already, onto YouTube, just as a way of archiving them, but also just putting it out into the world for free now that the way to buy them is no longer there. So what follows is a bunch of videos in this playlist about how to set up Instagram and how to use Instagram that was previously locked behind a paywall in a course, and so now is available for free. So there might be some references to go checking out my courses and things like that you'll just have to ignore. You can just watch them on the YouTube channel. My gift to you. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you next time. One quick thing I'll cover right now is along the bottom there is the home icon, which brings you to your Instagram feed and any updates. You can pull down to refresh, just if you need a quick fix, see if there's any more posts by any of your friends. I'm not following anybody yet. You can also search, so it'll show you people, live photos, stuff in your area, accounts that are popular around the internet, all that kind of stuff. Anything that it thinks, for whatever reason, based on some sort of fancy algorithms, you might be interested in. Obviously right now this is a new account, so I don't know what it's showing me anything based on other than just popular things, I guess. I don't know. So search for found me, my personal one. Let's go to tags and find, let's say, iPhone. So this is iPhone 10, iPhone X. So you can, just a new feature they've added is you can follow along with a hashtag, and then that hashtag, any post posted that hashtag will get posted into your timeline. So I could choose to follow that. Who knows what I'm going to see here. If I go back to my home page, and now I can see stories that are added to that hashtag, and I should, maybe not quite yet. So these are people, anybody adding hashtag iPhone X to their story. You could also look for a place. So let's say Starbucks on 8th Street here locally. I could see photos that have been shared to that location. So if the account is public and they've added that location as on their post, I would then be able to see it here on Instagram. And then top is just people related to that, whatever I'm searching for. If I follow my account, I can add my account and follow it, just so that I get a notification that I started following myself, as you do. Of course, like I said, we can always add new photos with the plus. The final one is your profile, and then the third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, the heart, is where you get social. And this is where anybody who's liked or shared a comment with you, anything like that, would be added and shown to you here. So probably because this photo has the test hashtag or demo or selfie on it, there's a few folks who randomly are searching Instagram for selfie or demo or test for whatever reason, and came across my photo and liked it. So far it's got 3 likes. You can see when they were 37 minutes ago. Like it says there, you can hide if you want to trash a comment or not allow somebody to like it. If someone's being really annoying, you can go to their account here and tap in the top right corner where you can block them. So if they were liking all your photos, you didn't know who they were and you didn't want them to see your account, you could block them. You could report them, which means basically if they're doing something inappropriate, you can report their account. It doesn't guarantee that they'll get removed, but it just makes somebody at Instagram hopefully aware. You can hide your story from them, so that, like I was showing before earlier in the stories section, you can hide your stories so they can't see that. They would still see all your posts, but they wouldn't. It's not like they're blocked. They're just blocked from seeing your stories. You can copy their profile URL if you want to share it. If you want to share this with somebody directly, you can send them a message. Just say cool profile, cool pics maybe. Hit send. And finally, you could send that person a message directly if you wanted to, which I won't do because I don't know who Monica is. And once you do anything on Instagram, as with every single social network, it just starts telling you people that you should be following. One thing to note is, unlike, say, Facebook or Twitter, there is no built-in retweeting or sharing of photos that other people have posted. You can share things directly to somebody. So I could, like I've shown already, I can tap the message, send myself a message with a link to that on Instagram. But there's no ability for somebody else to, so now I'm seeing my photos from my personal account show up here. There's no way for somebody to share reshare a photo that somebody else has posted built into Instagram. You'll often see regrams that people do. That's using apps either outside of Instagram or possibly taking a screenshot of somebody else's photo and reposting it as their own on Instagram, hopefully giving credit back to the original account, but not always. So as of right now, I suspect it'll change, but as of right now, there's no mechanism built into Instagram to share other people's photos. You kind of have to either mention them. You can mention them in a comment, or in your post, you could say, if I posted a new photo, just do one more selfie, guitar selfie will do. Put it with that photo, that filter, that lux, and I'll just say guitar selfie. Maybe we'll add the guitar emoji just for fun. Share, and then I could, in the comments below here, say, hey, and then use the @ sign and start typing a message to somebody else. Hey, me, check out the guitar. And then I would get a notification right there on my account saying someone commented and sent you a message that way. So that's kind of the only way to do it right now that's built into Instagram. In another course, I'll cover more advanced Instagram features, such as how to reshare things on Instagram.